Today I want to talk about the URL shortener that we use, Switchy.io, and why it's fantastic for helping us figure out where our leads are coming from and from which campaigns. Now, obviously, you could do this in many different ways, but I like Switchy because I can organize it by folder and it helps me get a really good overview of where my clicks are coming from. And this is not sponsored, Switchy isn't paying us at all. I just happen to like this product and we use it, and it's something I want to share because this is training for our team. And so obviously, I want to share it with you guys as well. So let's talk about Google's campaign URL builder. Now, you don't need this if you're using Switchy, which I like to do, but you could certainly use this as an example of how this all works. So right now we have a new SEO course. You should buy a local SEO course, and you should definitely buy it because it's awesome. But I want to know, when we advertise for this course, where are our people coming from who make purchases? Now, obviously in Google Analytics, I can look and see a purchase came from what source? From organic, from direct, from Google, from YouTube, from Facebook. But without any kind of tagging, I don't know in detail. So let's say we have 5 videos on YouTube that talk about our course. If I just know that the visitors came from YouTube and made a purchase, then I don't really know which video I should promote more or do more of. So if we have 5 videos, for example, and let's say 4 of those videos drive a ton of traffic but no purchases, and 1 video drives a moderate amount of traffic and lots of purchases, I want to promote that good video. So here we go. So let's make our campaign name, we'll call that local SEO course 2024. And the reason I do this is because we might have other traffic from YouTube or from Facebook or anywhere else. And so I want to be able to say to Google, just show me now that visitors are associated with this campaign. It's a level of sorting. So let's make the source YouTube. Now you can see here, so if I had 1 video, this would be great. Let's say local SEO course, and I have a video on YouTube, and let's just say on my Facebook page, I had a video there too. So great, so now I would know of the local SEO course data, which I can look at this local SEO campaign in analytics. These people came from Facebook, and this other link would be, these people came from YouTube. So on my YouTube video, when I say, hey, check out our video, click here, I would use this link. Or I'd say, check out our course, buy it now. I would say use this link because this has the YouTube link. But if I went to Facebook, I would say use this link on the face. And if I was on X, say, all right, great. Well, I'm promoting this on X, so here's a tweet about our new course. So there we go. So now I can look at the local SEO course in analytics, the campaign, and see the behavior for people from X, from YouTube, from Facebook, or whatever. So over here we could do video 01. And there we go. So now I have the video. Or we could do video 02. So for my first video, whatever I call it, video 1, I'm going to use this link to click buy now. In video 2, I would use this link to click buy now. In video 3, same thing, this link to click buy now. And so now when you go to Google Analytics, what you're going to be able to do is not only you're going to be able to say, show me the campaign local SEO course, then break it down by YouTube as opposed to Facebook and X and everything else, and then now show me per video. So now I'll be able to get a list of traffic, a list of videos that are going to show me which video is doing what I want. And that brings us back to Switchy. So if you look in Switchy, you can do the exact same thing. But what I've done here is if we look at clicks, for example, I know that this is for our agency website development. So what I can tell you here is this one video had 13 clicks in this time period. So that I know that that is something that's working. Whereas over here, let's say, here's another video that goes to our version 2 of our ClickUp template. It has 11, this has 8. So, not so much of a difference. Of course, I'd have to look on the other end to see, of these 8 visitors, how many people became, got this lead magnet or got this lead magnet, but that's the concept. So over here for our local SEO course, you could see what I've done is, you could see go clickupwebtemplates.com, campaign, lead magnet, ClickUp layout, statuses, and then the source is 03, because I know that's video 3. This source, video 1, this source, video 3, and this source, video 2. So now when I look at this data, I can say, wow, look at this. And obviously give it a week and we'll see. We can look and see actually which video is driving clicks. And then obviously in analytics, we can also look at that as well in deeper detail. But this is how you set that all up. And the reason I like doing this in Switchy is it's very easy for me to organize. So over here, I could just have all of my links organized by folder. And these are the YouTube video embeds that we have. And when I create it, let's take a look at this one. Oh, I don't have the local SEO one up yet. But this is for a lead magnet we have for ClickUp. But the campaign is lead magnet layout statuses, referral, YouTube, video 3. And so when we go to look and see on the other end and in analytics where people are downloading our ClickUp lead magnet from, I can know which video it came from. Now let's just take a look at one more thing. If we look, this is an article I have that I wrote about UTM tags, and if you look here, here's campaign. So in this case, we're looking at organic search, but what does organic search tell me? But I want to know which of my organic search issues here are from Google My Business or from regular organic search. So I know now that if I just saw organic search, I might see 300 visitors, or 300 users, let's say. But then I don't know how many came from GMB. But if I tag our Google My Business URL, then I know I have this GMB campaign, so now I can break that out, and that's the whole idea. I can see that we had 62 people, or 85 sessions, 62 people of organic search from GMB. And without using a tag, I couldn't have known that. So when you look at the campaign, in our example, the local SEO campaign, I'm going to get a really good breakdown here. So hopefully that helps you understand why we want to use UTM tags, what the campaign builder can do, and why using Switchy is a really great way to combine all of that power into one interface.